coughing, then what you want to do is position them in a way that is most appropriate, meaning that you can leverage the position so they can cough effectively. Okay? You know it's very difficult to cough in the supine position, right? Because everything is moved up. So they can't breathe very well. So what you want to do is, as much as possible, sit them up, or if they can't do it, prop them up, or put the hospital bed up so that they can have a good cough. And so you teach them how to do it. So, sir, I understand that you have condition X, and it causes you to have a lot of mucus in your chest. So what I want to do is teach you how to be able to effectively cough those out. All right? Now, when you cough, I want you to cough straight. So don't look at me. I don't want to get anything. You don't have to say that. So I want you to cough straight. Okay? So when you do coughing, sir, there are three things you need to do. You need to be able to breathe in deep, hold your breath, and then cough. Now what I'll be teaching you this afternoon is what is known as a double cough. So watch me. You demonstrate. You watch me. So you go inhale, hold, and then double cough. All right? So, does that make sense? Yes, ma'am?
Does it matter if you tell them to inhale because their nose or with open mouth?
Doesn't matter, so long as they can inhale deep.
Okay.
Now, this is what I want you to remember, and I want you to put, when you have coughing exercise or postural drainage, you say, sir, here is a sputum cup, or sir, here are tissues, and I'll have a tissue box there. Here are tissues, so if in case you cough anything out, I don't want you to swallow it. You cough it out here, all right? And then you cough, all right? So I want you to go ahead and try that for me. Inhale through your nose, or inhale, hold, and then double cough. Good. All right, so I want you to do that again. Inhale,
Make sure you put your...
hold, and then double cough. Correct. So you put that. So part of the instruction is that they are able to cough something out, to put it somewhere. Okay, sir. So it looks like you know how to do it. Before we go on to the next intervention, tell me again how to do a cough.
Take a deep breath in, I'll hold it, and then I'll perform a double cough.
Okay, good. Now, what I want you to do also is this. Every hour that you're awake, I want you to perform 2 to 4 coughs every waking hour. Now, those of you who are doing videos, 2 to 4 coughs, it really depends on how bad it is. So I'm just saying 2 to 4 right now. All right? Just so that you have it on record. You don't tell me it's 2 to 4. And I have a lot of videos I see. So, okay. So that's what you do, right? So you reinforce what I told you to reinforce, right? To tell them what to do between treatments. If the patient, for example, just had surgery and you want them to splint, let's just say they had a cabbage. So again, you teach them, okay, sir, I understand that you had a bypass graft and you have had surgery here. I know it's very difficult to cough, but what I want you to do is start doing any small steps toward coughing so that you don't accumulate any mucus in your lungs, all right? So what I want you to do is hold on to this, hug it like what do you hug?
Teddy bear.
Like a teddy bear, okay? And as you cough, I want you to hold on tight to it so that it doesn't hurt you where you have your scar, okay? So, sometimes what would be best if you're having difficulty, remember, is you extend your trunk, look up and extend your neck, and then as you cough out, you go the opposite way, all right? So, watch me. So, inhale, hold, and then as you go down, this way, all right? So, inhale, hold, and double cough. Okay, make it a weak one. Okay. He just had surgery. Inhale, hold, and cough. All right. That's the way you do it. Okay, yes, sir.
So the cup or the having them hold the tissues.
Yes.
Have to do
So,
anything with that?
so you can identify. You know, if they have I'll have the tissue obviously. I can have another cup for the sputum cup if in case that's.
Are you holding that though, or is he still holding that while holding on to the?
Oh, that's the question. It depends on what. Usually this is done in the patient's bedroom, right? So they can cough out of your line of fire. And if something comes out, they can, so long as it's accessible to them, is my expectation.